Hello everyone. So we have new updates in Nesscale ESS mobile app. So I will just walk you through what we have in the new updates. So first, in the holiday list, we have added some filter which is just improve the user experience. Like before, user can see all the holidays, like even the week offs and all. So we get an requirement from our client, like they want user to only see their actual holidays instead week offs. So that is now added like this way. And also, like if user want to see the upcoming holidays instead, like all the holidays. So this is like just better user experience. We have added this to filter in the holiday list. Apart from that, we have new updates in order, which is like minor update, which is like now we have order ID as a filter, so you can able to filter out with the order ID. So you can add like this, apply, you will get only that order. Apart from that, there is a bug in the leave balance. So before it was always like 11 out of 11, 12 out of 12. So your balance is always so here, like not exactly what allocated to you and what is left. So now that is get fixed. Apart from that, we have major update in actually in the workflow request. So this feature was there from long time, but I think it is not that much useful to useful. So we think to rebuild it. So now this feature is like customizable. So the card and all, now you can able to make as per your requirement. Like for example, let me show you. So I will open our dev site and search for workflow settings, ESS workflow settings. So here you will get all the doc types which have active workflow available in ERPNext, and you can able to configure like this. So we have a list view and we have a detail view. So in list view you can able to add 6 fields, and you can decide like which field you want to add in the footer, in the body, in the status, and the ID. So this is the footer, this is the status, and this is the body we have. So for example, right now company is in the in the footer. If I move into the body, save this configuration, save the document, and I just reload the page, the company is moved here now. So it's like that. So similar, you can able to configure your detail view as well. So you can add as many field you needed. So we support all like data, float, all this kind of field, but we are not supporting currently table, JSON, code, all HTML, all this kind of field. But we'll add later on maybe support for that too. So in the detail view, as you add the fields, more field, this field like right and left, we have 2 columns, so it will align that way. And action you will get like this. So if you have, let's say this is the request come to me, and right now I am able to add, but I'm able to do the multiple actions. So you can just click on this and resubmit, it will resubmit it and go for the pending approval. After that I have 2 2 action to do. So when you have 2 action, you will get this kind of button, but when you have a 3 more than 2, then the button will be combined into the action. So like this will look like this way. So yeah, that is about workflow request update. And in the workflow request, one more thing we have, actually it was that before as well. So you can set the print format as you want, so you can see more detail if you want to see in the print format. So you can, like for example, in this I have all this detail I can able to view, and this is to use to like open directly this document into the ERP. So it will directly go to the ERP.